Oh hello! Welcome to a total beginner's guide to TTRPGs. Last episode, we did a brief explanation of what is a TTRPG, but like every other occupation, they have a rather important amount of abbreviations and acronyms. So today we are dealing with the most important ones. D6. As said in my previous video, people will often use dice to determine the outcome of an action. It has become quite common to refer to a die as D and its maximum number of faces. The one you're probably most familiar with is this one, and it is therefore referred to as a D6. On other occasions, you will see another number before the D. It is the amount of dice you need to roll on the moment. If someone tells you to roll 2d4, then roll these two babies. 1d20, this cool kid. 8d6, well, someone's about to cast a fireball in Dungeons & Dragons. GM. Mentioned in my previous video too, GM is the acronym for Game Master. This person is the main storyteller and referee of the game. In certain games like Dungeons & Dragons or the My Little Pony RPG, the GM may be referred to by another name, like DM for Dungeon Master or Pony Master, but most people will use or understand GM. And yes, the other players also have a cute nickname, PC and NPC. The GM may be the main storyteller, but what makes the story worth remembering are the players. To not let them feel left behind, we refer to the characters they embody inside the GM story as PC, or player character. They are the characters on which the Game Master has little to no influence. The explorers of the plot, the heroes or villain of the day. But to explore means meeting new people. That's where the GM can add NPCs to their story. NPCs, or non-player characters, are people inside the story brought to life by the GM, like a friendly musician, a dashing card player, or a simple child here to give your PCs information. There is quite a workload difference between the GM and the PCs, but do not worry, we will talk about it in my fourth video. Homebrew. Even though most TTRPGs have their own sets of rules and possibilities, the most curious of minds may sometimes feel like what they truly want or need for their game is missing. In that case, PCs and GMs can work together and decide to make their own additional rules, changes, or options for a game, and said changes are known as homebrew. VTT and IRL. Respectively standing for virtual tabletop and in real life, they are just two ways to practice TTRPGs. VTT are online tools like Roll20, used to help people play together even if they are from different places in the world, and IRL is for when people are playing face to face. I hope this little glossary video helped you on your journey. If you've heard of a different acronym or word and do not understand the meaning of it, feel free to drop it in the comments with the context where you heard it. It was the Knight from Elderia, and yet I smile.